Hey, what is up guys? Today we have this amazing product that we call the MacBook Pro 15-inch with touch bar. This sucker is $7,000. Let's check it out. All right, so let's get this open. Easy to open right there, that's cool. Ooh. So there's actually a battery warning right there for, the mailing purposes. Just in case if somebody's interested, like the CIA or the FBI. Just kidding. Don't fire me. All right, so, oh my God. Oh, it's right there. Let's get that out of the way. Here we are. That is the MacBook Pro. And as you can see on the front right here, you can see the touch bar right there. The two USB-C ports right there. It's probably hard to see. And on the other side, there's going to be two USB ports and a headphone jack right there. Apple logo right there. MacBook Pro right there. And another MacBook Pro right there. And an Apple sticker right on the back. So on the back, you have some credentials with some information about the product. This sucker has the new, should say it on here, it has the new, I'll have a graphic of what it has in it, but it has the new Vega GPU in it, Vega like 20 or something like that. So it should be able to run VR pretty great. Alrighty, let's get it. Oh, this is crazy. So I could have gotten this about a month ago, but I was waiting for the new GPU to pop to be available. Huh. Some MSR stuff for you. Alrighty, so here we are. Open it up. Oh, that is, That's a Mac product right there. So right here we have the Apple logo and the little tab to pull it on up. So we'll pull that up. There we are, look at that. Now it's cool till it touch because it is metal, all aluminum. Yeah, that's awesome. So let's put this to the side and check out some of the stuff inside the box. So it does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable right there. And inside here we have designed by Apple in California, but made in China. And now we have the, looks like the power cable, power supply with a USB-C right there. So that's, I'm too delicate. All right, that is really premium right there. So you can actually undo this part if you want for those international type people right there. So that just pops off and you can put the UK or European Union power adapter right there. So awesome. Other than that, we have some Apple stickers right here, which comes standard with every Apple product. Awesome, look at that, MacBook Pro. Details, all this stuff, functions that you can do with the MacBook Pro. This shows right here the two USB-C ports and the headphone jack. Do we have any Apple stickers? Oh, we do. All right, so this is cool. So these Apple stickers are unique to every MacBook Pro. So these apples right here aren't pure white like the iPhones or the iPod Touches. They actually match the color of the MacBook Pro when you order your MacBook Pro. So let's get this out of the way and turn it on. Alrighty, so we have the MacBook Pro right here. Let's go ahead and open it on up. That is satisfying right there. Okie dokie. It's incredibly thin. Like, that is just bananas how thin that is. Oh, that's crazy. All right, so you got your two USB-C ports right here on the side, along with the headphone jack. All right, so we're gonna get this out of the way, and we're gonna see if it opens up and turns on. Let's see, is it turning on? There we go. Oh, it just turned on. That's crazy. So on opening, it actually does boot up, and it looks like it's booting up pretty quickly. So it smells like an Apple product. But yeah, this is bananas. Look at that. Oh, that's crazy. So the tactile feel is pretty good. I prefer the chiclet style, so this is awesome. But I do have a professional workstation at home. And look at that, you can set it up. That's crazy. Awesome. So it's good. The speakers have some bass to it, so that's really awesome. Well, this has been the MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. I cannot wait to get y'all a review on this product. This is gonna be awesome. It will speed up my workflow with editing videos and stuff like that. So I guess I'll catch y'all in the next one. If you like this video and wanna see more videos like this, hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.